Hi, I'm Laurie Oberman, CEO of Talking Business. I could have begun this clip by saying, please allow me to introduce myself, or may I introduce myself, I'm Laurie, because introduce is the verb we use in these situations, and not just to introduce ourselves, but to introduce colleagues one to another. For example, Peter, I'd like to introduce you to Marina, our CFO. May I introduce you to Susan? She's head of our marketing department. So, that's one use of the verb to introduce yourself and colleagues one to another. There is, however, another meaning and another use of introduce, and let me give you a couple of examples. We're hoping to introduce the new model of our product in the next quarter. The central bank is introducing new regulations at the end of the year. So to introduce is not only to bring to awareness, but also to begin a process, to enter a market or to enter a sector. Present, on the other hand, is different. We present a subject, an idea. Example. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Laurie Oberman, and today I'd like to present the financial statements for the previous year. I'm going to present you our marketing strategy, or I'd like to present you with our plans for the new model of our latest product. So we have introduce, two meanings, but both of them are different from present. I hope that's made it a little clearer for you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll be back again soon with another tip. Goodbye for now.